That feeling of having no money, no shelter, no food, or even school for your kids, or even to provide for yourself, or even as a student, you might even be struggling.
Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of a life where you can make money on your own terms? Well, you're in luck, because today we are talking about how to make money online. First off, let's get something. Making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to put in the effort. The internet can be a gold mine of opportunities. So without further ado, here are tried and true ways to make money online. Online freelancing. With the rise of remote work, online freelancing has become one of the most popular ways to make money online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow people to offer their services as a freelancer, from writing and graphic design to virtual assistance and programming. 2. E-commerce. Before we get into the second method of making money online, subscribe to my channel right now. Here on my channel I make finance videos on how to make money online, so like and subscribe to the channel. E-commerce has been on the rise for the past few years, and it's no surprise that it's still a great way to make money online in 2023. Platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify allow anyone to start their own online store and sell their products without having to invest in a physical store. So you can have an online store with Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. I totally recommend them, and check out my description for the links of every website that I'm mentioning right in this video. So you can have a non-physical store there and then sell your products. That's it. You make money. 3. Online tutoring. With the shift to online learning, online tutoring has become a popular way to make money online. Platforms like VipKid and Chegg allow tutors to work from home and teach students from around the world, and that is how you can make your money. Or podcasting. Podcasting is another great way to make money online in 2023. Podcasts are a great medium to reach a wide audience and build a community around your topic. Podcasts can make money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. So there you have it, some of the best ways to make over $100,000 per year online in 2023. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, content creator, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online each year that I will be sharing right here on my channel. Remember, the key to success is to find something you're passionate about and work hard towards it. Thank you for watching. Do give the video a like and please subscribe to my channel, and good luck with your earning journey.